DTD Auto would like to introduce Easykey 5 for the function of the current value correction of odometer on motorcycles, referred to as ODO. There is a odometer of a Yamaha Aerox 2017 to 2019 that is having data errors. The customer requested to repair the odometer and reset the kilometer value to 2,500 km according to the vehicle's value as before. This can be made simple and easy with the Easykey 5 device. Please see how to do it. To perform this odometer correction function, you need to prepare Easykey 5 main machine, Easykey adapter, ODO connection cable, cable name EK07ODO2, used for Yamaha NVX, Janus, TFX. DTD Auto will introduce to you the odometer correction function on the Easykey 5 right now. On the screen of Easykey, we select the function Correct ODO value. Select Easykey adapter. Select manufacturer, Yamaha. Then select model, Aerox 2017 to 2019. Require connect Easykey and Easykey adapter. On the screen is information about the Easykey adapter accessory kit including version, product code, update date. Press the OK button to continue. Requirements: disconnect the power supply to the odometer before connecting Easykey to the odometer. Use Moto Data software to look up the connection diagram for the programming cable. See the soldering location diagram of the ODO cable on Moto Data software. Soldering according to the instruction diagram. Connect the ODO cable to the odometer. Press the OK button. To continue. Warning. If the ODO-IC is not CTL13100079B, the vehicle's ODO meter will fail. Press the OK button. To continue. Select Write Original Data. Report. ODO Original Data has been completed. Next, perform the function Correct ODO Value. This function is used to change the ODO value according to the user's wishes. Press the up, down key to enter the ODO value, to change the position according to the required ODO value. 2,500 kilometers. Report. The ODO value correction was successful. Now, you can immediately check the new ODO value using the function Read Current ODO Value directly from Easykey. Current ODO value is 2,500 kilometers. Now, we will disconnect the Easykey's power and unplug the connecting cables. Look up the power pin of the ODO meter on Moto Data software. Connect it according to the instruction diagram. Apply power to the ODO meter to check the results. The ODO meter screen is displayed normally. The current kilometer value is 2,500 kilometers. The repair and calibration of the ODO standard has been successful. Thus, ODO value correction on the Easykey device is very simple and easy. Just like the name of the device. So, you can see that using Easykey 5 is very simple and effective for repairing your vehicle. Goodbye, and see you again in the next videos introducing new functions on the Easykey 5.